Beyond Pho, the inspiring stories behind Vietnam's most loved dishes. Vietnamese cuisine is deeply intertwined with the country's history, culture, and natural beauty. The podcast emphasizes how each dish reflects not just culinary traditions, but also the values, stories, and struggles of the Vietnamese people. Food is a powerful vehicle for storytelling and connection. Through interviews with chefs, bakers, and families, the podcast highlights how food strengthens family bonds, preserves traditions, and bridges generations. Vietnamese food is a testament to resilience and adaptation. Dishes like banh mi showcase how Vietnamese people incorporated foreign influences and made them their own, reflecting a spirit of creativity and strength. Pho is more than just a national dish, it embodies family, tradition, and love. The meticulous preparation of the broth reflects the dedication and patience of Vietnamese cooks. My grandmother taught me this recipe when I was young. She'd always say, "Pho takes patience and love, like raising a child." Each morning, as I prepare the broth, it's like she's there with me. Vietnamese chef. The natural environment of Vietnam, rice paddies, rivers, and mountains, directly influences the ingredients and flavors of pho. Banh mi exemplifies the fusion of cultures and adaptation. The French baguette, introduced during colonialism, was transformed with local ingredients, creating a uniquely Vietnamese sandwich. Banh mi is about mixing the old and new. My family has been making it this way for generations. It's not just a sandwich, it's a taste of Vietnam's history, a story of resilience and creativity. Baker. The banh mi symbolizes the Vietnamese ability to overcome hardships and blend tradition with innovation. Chow Lao, unique to Hoi An, showcases the connection between food and place. The legend of the noodles being soaked in water from a thousand-year-old well emphasizes the importance of history and heritage. We follow the same method our ancestors used to keep the spirit of Hoi An alive. Khao Lao reminds us of who we are, where we come from. It connects us to our roots and our land. Khao Lao Maker. This dish represents the preservation of tradition and a deep respect for one's roots. Bun Cha, popular in Hanoi, emphasizes the social aspect of food and its ability to bring people together. Families and friends gather to share this simple yet flavorful dish, strengthening their bonds. We love Bun Cha because it's like a family gathering. We cook together, laugh, and enjoy each other's company. It's our way of connecting with each other. Hanoi family. The act of sharing a meal is highlighted as an expression of love and connection. Traditional desserts and festivals, particularly Tet, demonstrate the cultural significance of food. Sweet treats symbolize blessings, good fortune, and the passing down of family traditions. For us, making rice cakes is a way to pass on blessings and memories to the next generation. It's a family tradition that brings us closer, reminding us of the importance of family and gratitude. Elderly woman. Vietnamese cuisine extends beyond sustenance. It embodies celebrations, hopes, and the continuation of heritage. The podcast Beyond Pho successfully conveys the message that Vietnamese cuisine is more than just delicious food. It's a tapestry woven with history, culture, resilience, and love. It encourages listeners to appreciate the stories and traditions behind each dish, reminding us that every meal has a story to tell.